Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I produce content every week based around video production, how to make money online, tutorials, and overall just documenting my entire journey as an entrepreneur. If one or all of the above is something that you are clearly interested in, then feel free to subscribe, notifications turned on, so that you don't miss out on any future content. So in today's video, I'm basically just going to be walking you through, or basically showing you rather, how to make a very basic lower third using Adobe After Effects. So for your social media or whatever you intend to use it, you have a lower third for. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am on After Effects. So let's just click on New Project. That's embarrassing, I didn't even click it the first time. Anyway, so obviously we're going to go to New Composition. 19, well, that's 1920 I'd assume, but yeah. So that's what we're obviously going to go for. Now, what you want to do is go on to Toggle Transparency Grid, and this is the exact sort of preview screen you're going to basically face. And what we're going to do is we're going to need a triangle tool. This will make sense in a minute. Obviously, I'm going to go for a better colour than red, because red is a disgusting colour. Anyways, so you'll want it around right, somewhere around, I'd say, there should be good. Yeah, there. So, now, click on the pen tool. Give me a minute. Right, so, click around there. Right to obviously the edge of it, so around there, then somewhere around there, and bang. Now, this is the part I always get thinged on, so hold on. So I've spent the last 10 minutes searching up the most simplest thing when all I had to do was literally this. If you'd like to mock me in the comments, I give you permission. Right, so there we are. That is our... Right, hold on. Let me just the same fucking size. Right, there we are. So that is our... Yeah, so that's that then. Right, now, let's go and find a... well, actually, first of all, I got to increase the fucking... That's not what I was doing. Oh lord, oh fuck, actually, around, yeah, that should do the job. Let me just get up a image, the logo of a social media app, I guess, or social, well, you know, just for convenience, I'm just gonna drag that somewhere there, out there somehow. That's okay, that's alright. Now obviously decrease that motherfucker. That's not the font we're gonna be we want to use, as that is fucking boring. And it's not, well, creative. Oh, I could go for that. Anyway, we're gonna go for Beber's New, because that's my personal choice, and I love that font. Right around there, around there. Yeah, that's it's not the best, but you know, I'm sure you can gain a grasp of how to basically create somewhat of a lower third. So yeah, I'm just gonna click well, I'm just gonna stop recording now, and then I'm gonna basically record the outro for this tutorial. Okay everyone, so that's how you basically create a simple or basic lower third in After Effects. Obviously I'm sure you can do a better lower third than I can, but however, I've created lower thirds before in it's in my freelance track record. But well, we won't talk about that. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you got some value out of this video, and overall learned something new today and enjoyed it. And if you did, then well, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe with notifications turned on, so that obviously you don't miss out on any new videos coming out every week. And yeah, so yeah, so thank you for watching, and I shall see you in another upcoming video. Have a good one.